Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can make tasty bread cutlets. So let's start. For this we will need at least 9 bread slices, and here I have cut out all the crust of the bread. First you have to grind the bread using a grinder. Then add this mixture to 3 boiled potatoes which is already mashed. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon dhaniya powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now we will mix all the ingredients together. Now once we are done with this, we will give some shapes, and you can give any shape of your choice. So here I am giving round shapes, and you can see almost I have prepared 20 shapes for the cutlets. So we'll keep this aside, and again we will grind at least 3 breads and some leftover biscuits. And this mixture we will use to give the coating for our cutlets before frying them. So it's done. Now after this we will add some oil to our pan, and once the oil heats up nicely, we will start making our cutlets. So in this way you have to give the coating to the cutlets. You have to coat it very nicely. And we will add this and we will fry it till it becomes crispy. Once the bottom side is fried nicely, we will tilt it and we will fry the upper part. So you see it has turned golden brown, means it has been fried nicely. It is a very easy process of making bread cutlet, and it also tastes very nice. And all the ingredients I will mention in the description box. Once all the cutlets turn golden brown, then we can say that it's cooked nicely. So you can see it's cooked nicely. In this way we will cook all the other cutlets. So it's almost done. So our bread cutlets are ready to serve. You try this recipe and let me know in the comment box. And if you have enjoyed, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.